Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up an integration to transfer new customers from KeyCRM to Google Sheets. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new customers from KeyCRM to other systems. For example, through Google Sheets, you can add new rows with each new customer and conveniently store them. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the KeyCRM data source system. Now you need to choose an action. In this case, select Get Customers, New. At this stage, you need to connect your KeyCRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must specify the API key. To get it, go to your personal account KeyCRM. Next, go to Settings, General. If you haven't created an API key yet, click Create API Key. Copy it and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled, click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. No additional settings are provided for the KeyCRM system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now you see the data for one of your KeyCRM customers. If everything suits you, click Continue. This completes the KeyCRM data source setup. Now you need to go to the data destination settings. System, choose Google Sheets. Next, you need to select an action, Add Row. At this stage, you need to connect your Google Sheets account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you need to specify the username and password of your personal Google account. If you have not yet connected your Google account to the ApiX-Drive system, you need to check all the access checkboxes in order for the ApiX-Drive system to have access to create new rows in Google Sheets. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, you need to select a file and a sheet of Google Sheets in which new rows will be created with each new customer from KeyCRM. Now you see Google Sheets rows to which you can assign variables from KeyCRM. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Note that you can use not only variables from the drop-down list, but also enter data manually. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be transferred to Google Sheets as new rows with each new KeyCRM customer. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Google Sheets. After successful submission, go to Google Sheets and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the Google Sheets data destination setup successfully. Now you need to enable auto update and select the update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.